Everybody has heard of an antipasta salad. Well, that's what we're not gonna make today. Nope, we're gonna take a trip to Italy because that's where it originated, but we're gonna make it into a sandwich, an antipasta sandwich with croissants. In the air fryer, of course, because that's what we do here at Annie's Smoking Pot. I, of course, am Annie. This is my tiny kitchen, big flavors. Let's get to cooking. Good Lord. It's almost like I've never put a glove on before. This is gonna go into the air fryer, so I'm gonna go ahead and let's get that preheated first. And this is gonna go 350 for about 30 minutes. As always, somewhere in this general vicinity of my kitchen, I'll tell you exactly how long it takes. You're going for a golden brown exterior. Keep an eye on it because every air fryer is different. We are using store-bought crescent rolls because why not? This is just a quick, simple thing to throw together. It's delicious. It's easy. It can be breakfast. It can be lunch. It can be that midnight snack. Everybody knows how I am with these. Look at me go. Now we're not going to take them out into croissant shapes. We're gonna leave it whole. We're gonna unroll it onto our parchment paper. We're gonna make it one sheet. And it's okay if it splits apart because we're gonna pinch those together anyway. Make sure you unroll it all the way and then we're just gonna pinch the seams together. And if you don't pinch it perfectly, it's okay. You know, it doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be pretty. It just has to taste good. Just like that. First thing we're gonna lay down is some shaved ham. I like it. I'm gonna kind of clump it up, I guess would be the word, pile it on there. You can spread it out flat if you'd like, but this is just gonna give this sandwich a little bit more, I don't know the word, a little more body, a little more deliciousness. Make sure you don't go all the way to the edges though, because we are gonna be pinching the edges closed. And this is just a thin shaved deli ham. Works beautifully. Next step, we've got some provolone, and we're just gonna layer that right on top. Okay, next we've got some pepperoni. Beautiful, beautiful pepperoni from the deli. That just layers right on top as well. It's like dealing cods. If I was a cod dealer, which I am not. Cods, you know, cods, like polka, like cods. Next, mozzarella. Now I opted to go with the shredded. You can use sliced mozzarella if you'd like. Now I don't want to contaminate because I don't think I'm going to use it all, so we're going to lose a glove. And that just goes right on top. And doesn't it already just look amazing? It's going to be fantastic. And last but not least, some peppercinis. Now, if you'd like, these are just a pickled peppercini, mild flavor. If you'd like, you could use hot peppercinis if you want to add a little bit of heat to the sandwich. If you don't like peppercinis, you don't have to use them, but you know what? They're a typical ingredient on an antipasta salad, so why wouldn't they be in my antipasta sandwich? And now our second crescent roll. Oh my gosh, getting pretty good at this. Now this one, we need it to go and stretch over the top, so you are going to kind of pull it apart just a little bit to make it go over it a little bit more. Same thing though, just unroll it, try to keep it together. If not, it's not a make or break deal. And pinch your seams again, all the way around this time. And your top seams. You look sealed? I'm going to say we look sealed beautifully. All right, olive oil, that's your next step. Just a nice, simple, extra virgin olive oil. You're just gonna brush it all over the top. Italian seasoning blend, parsley, sage, thyme, and basil. Just like that. To make it a little bit easier, I'm gonna put it onto a baking tray. And in it goes. How easy was that? That took what, maybe 10 minutes, if that, to construct? Hardest part was pinching those seams on the crescent roll, but you know what? It takes no time at all. It's gonna be fantastic. As I said, you're going for just a golden brown exterior like you do on a crescent roll, and then we'll dig right in and eat some up. Ours only took 20 minutes in the air fryer. Let's go ahead and take it out. Oh, it looks fantastic. I'm gonna let it set for about 5 minutes just to kind of firm some of the cheese up a bit before we cut right on into it and take a bite. Plus, it's really hot. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh, it's hot. Oh. There are no words. There are no words. use the peppercinis. Put the peppercinis in there. Don't omit them. Hot peppercinis would be phenomenal as well. If you want to dip it in a little, like an olive oil, balsamic vinegar type glaze or dipping sauce, you couldn't go wrong. You just can't go wrong with these. Make them. You're going to love them. Thanks for joining me again here at Annie's Smoking Pot. Description below, full recipe next to that like button and that subscribe button. And until next time, bye. Whoa, oh God. Oh. People.